Hello students, I Miss Benora Fernandez welcome you back again. Today I have taken the second chapter from your prose topics. The name of the chapter is Weed or Bloom. Now this is a short little poem written on habits. Weed means bad habits, bloom means good habits. Now let's see what the poet has to speak about these good and bad habits. We will go through the poem and listen carefully. A habit is a sticky thing, much good or evil it can bring. It binds a victim, holds him fast, and keeps him in a vise-like grasp. Bad habits grow with extra speed, much like a healthy growing weed. The roots grow deep, the stem grows stout. How difficult it is to pull it out. Now, as I have spoken earlier, a habit can be good or bad. But once a habit grows, it doesn't leave you that fast. How, However good or evil it can be, it binds the victim, meaning the person, and holds it fast and keeps him in a vise-like grasp, meaning doesn't leave the person very easily. Bad habits grow with extra speed, much like a healthy growing weed. Bad habits don't take much time to grow, they just grow. And they're like those weeds, like the unwanted plants, which you need to throw away just to protect the other plants. The roots grow deep, the stem grows stout. Like how these weeds roots go deep and the stem becomes fat. Same in the same way, these habits are difficult to pull out once they grow inside us. But on the other hand, we have the good habits. Good habits are a little slow. They need a lot of care to grow. If tended well, they grow more fair than any bloom a plant can bear. Good habits help us all through life. Bad habits bring us pain and strife. Our habits, whether right or wrong, each day will grow more firm and strong. Now, good habits take a little time to grow. They are very slow. We don't learn good habits that fast. But once you learn a good habit, you need to take a lot of care to see that you don't miss that habit. If tended well, meaning if you take care of it well, they grow much better and then they become like a bloom a plant can bear, meaning a seed, like a fruit a plant gives, it can become like that. Good habits help us all through life. Habits always remain good with us. They make us good, they make us feel better. But bad habits, they always bring pain and strife. Our habits, whether right or wrong, whatever habits we have, whether good or bad, each day will grow more firm and strong. Each day they grow strong and strong. They don't become weak but just grow stronger and stronger. Let's look at these two exercises which I have for you. The first one, you need to tick the correct option. The main idea of the poem is to avoid only bad habits or make us see the benefits of good habits. Yes, they make us see the benefits of good habits. The first stanza tells us that habits are always evil or habits stick to a person easily. Yes, that habits stick to a person very easily. Good habits can make you unfair, take a long time to form. Good habits can take a long time to form. Yes, right. Let's look at these question answers of exercise 2. The first question, what does the poet have to say about good habits? What do you think the poet wants to say about good habits? Second, which lines tells us that good habits are like flowers? Which line tells us this? Third, what do bad habits bring us? What do bad habits do to us in long life? Now let's check your answers of exercise 2. The poet have to say that good habits grow slow and they need lot of care. Second, if tended well, they grow more fair than any bloom can a plant can bear. This is the line which speaks about good habits also are like flowers. Third one, bad habits bring us pain and strife. Very good if you have guessed all right. Thank you students for listening. Be healthy and stay safe.